While everyone's attention was focused on Chinese and Japanese companies, names like Tesla, BYD, and Toyota were everywhere. A long-established company in a corner of Europe was quietly developing something that's now making waves throughout the entire electric vehicle market. Yes, we're talking about Renault. The same brand that has dominated European roads for years has now created a car that has surprised everyone. The 2026 all-new Renault Clio. But the most surprising thing is that this car isn't electric. Yet, it's faster than many electric cars. Renault has created such a powerful combination of petrol and hybrid technology that even Chinese and Japanese companies are scratching their heads. The car's design is so modern and sporty that it looks less like a small city car and more like a mini rocket that can perform explosively even in eco mode. The new Clio's hybrid engine is receiving praise not only for its mileage, but also for its speed and smooth driving. European auto experts are calling it the silent revolution of 2026, which has brought Renault back to the top of the game. What technology has been used in it, and why is it shaking up the electric market? So be sure to watch the video till the end, because further on we're going to reveal all the secrets of this hybrid rocket. And yes, before we move on in the video, please subscribe to the channel so you can be the first to see such amazing videos. Before we delve into Renault's new hybrid car, let's understand its market. A new car from any company only inspires confidence when it's backed by a strong name and a long history. And Renault's name is synonymous with that trust. This company is one of Europe's oldest and most reliable car brands, having earned people's confidence for decades. While other companies were simply racing to produce electric cars, Renault was quietly thinking differently, a path that combined technology with reliability. Now, let's look at the numbers. Last year, in 2004, the Renault Group sold over 2.26 million vehicles worldwide. Imagine, while other companies were talking about a shrinking market, Renault maintained its growth. The Renault brand alone sold approximately 1.57 million units, which was more than the previous year. The message is clear. This brand is not just about the name, but also about performance. In Europe, Renault's dominance is most evident. In 2024, its sales in Europe increased by over 3%, while the overall European market grew by barely 1.5%. This means Renault was growing twice as fast as the rest of the market. Demand for its models is particularly high in countries like France, Italy, Spain, and the UK. In the UK, sales increased by over 20%. And it's not just Europe. Renault is now strengthening its presence in markets like Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Now, let's talk about its strategy. Renault understood that the future wouldn't solely depend on electric vehicles. Therefore, the company has focused entirely on hybrid technology. Today, when everyone is worried about charging stations, Renault is building cars that run on both petrol and electricity, the best of both worlds. In early 2005, the company announced that demand for its hybrid models had increased so much that it was now among the top 2 brands in the hybrid segment in Europe. And when it comes to reliability, the Renault name itself is a guarantee. In Europe, people consider it not just a car, but a trustworthy companion. Its parts are readily available, maintenance is affordable, and the service network is extensive. This is why, after so many years, Renault's hold on the market has not weakened, but has only grown stronger. So, the company's introduction of its new 2026 hybrid Clio is not a sudden move, it's the result of years of trust, experience, and technological advancement. Design and look. Small car, big impact. Now, let's talk about the design and look of this new 2026 Renault Clio. And believe me, this is where the story gets interesting, because this car, as small as it looks, has a huge impact. At first glance, you'll realize that Renault has put a lot of effort into the design this time. This is the same Clio that has been a favorite on European roads for years. But this time, its new avatar is something else entirely. Bolder, more modern, and far more attractive. First, let's talk about its front look. The front of the new Clio now looks sharper and more aggressive than before. The company has given it new C-shaped LED headlights that give it a truly premium look at night. Its front grille is now wider and has a glossy finish, giving it a modern touch. There are subtle curved lines on the bonnet that make it even more beautiful when light falls on it. Even if you see this car coming from a distance, you'll immediately recognize that it's not just any ordinary city car, but a symbol of European class. Now, let's talk about the side profile. Renault has done some very smart work here. The new Clio has a very sleek body with smooth lines and soft angles that give it a sporty look. The new design of its alloy wheels is also fantastic. Not too flashy, not too simple. just the perfect balance. And looking at its ground clearance and proportions, it's clear that Renault has designed it not just for show but for all kinds of roads. Now, let's move to the rear. The rear design looks much more modern and compact than before. It features new LED taillights, a black finished bumper, and a subtle spoiler that makes it even more youthful. Even from the back, this car looks like it belongs to a premium segment. Overall, the Clio's exterior is the perfect blend of European charm and modern boldness. But the magic doesn't stop at the exterior. The interior is also amazing. As soon as you open the car door, the interior reveals that Renault has paid attention to every little detail. The soft-touch dashboard, digital instrument cluster, and the new 10-inch infotainment system. Everything exudes a sense of class. The seats are designed to be more comfortable than before, and the company has used eco-friendly materials, which makes it even more special. The steering wheel is now new, giving it a sporty feel. It also features a new ambient lighting system that makes driving at night even more enjoyable. The AC vents have a more stylish design than before, and every feature is positioned in a way that makes everything easily accessible to the driver. It's this attention to detail that sets Renault apart from the rest. Engine and technology. The magic of hybrid. Now let's talk about the real thing. The engine and technology of the 22.6 Renault Clio. You see, while the world is racing towards electric cars, Renault decided to do something different. The company said, instead of standing in line at charging stations, let's create a car that runs on both petrol and electricity, and that thinking became the foundation of this new Clio. The new Renault Clio features the company's new e-tech full hybrid system. This is the same technology that Renault learned from its F1 racing experience, meaning it's a powerful combination of performance and efficiency. The car has a 1.6L petrol engine coupled with 2 electric motors. One motor is directly connected to the engine, providing power, while the other motor recharges the battery and provides smooth acceleration. Now, what does this mean in simple terms? It means that when you're driving slowly or stuck in traffic, the car runs only on electric mode without consuming any petrol. But as soon as you need acceleration or speed, the petrol engine kicks in, and both work together to deliver tremendous power. In other words, this car is smart. It decides for itself when to use petrol and when to use electricity, and that's what makes it special. Its hybrid system constantly senses your driving style. If you're driving leisurely, the battery does the work, and if you want to drive fast on the expressway, both the engine and motor work together to provide power. The result is that you always get a smooth, EV-like drive, but without the hassle of charging. Now, let's talk about performance.